And all, thank you for joining us. It's a beautiful morning and we are sure it's going to be a very high intensity game. Captain has won the toss and selected to field first. These players will be taking the field today. Both teams look balanced and eager to perform.
Ladies and gents, please stand up for the national anthems.
Welcome everyone to this wonderful venue. We have the umpires walking out with the new ball in their hand. Out come the openers, cheered by a good crowd in. There must be some nerves as the batsman is set to face his first ball. But that's going to be for all right. Sweet timing. Gorgeous shot, found the middle of the bat there. He decided to bowl that from round the wicket. Good shot, nicely placed in the gap. The batsman should be looking for two here. I tell you what, the slow ball won't be a bad option on this pitch. Good shot for a single. Came around quickly to cover the throw. Well, the captain has been very smart with his bowling changes. Turned away for a single. Good backing up by the fielder. Shows how involved he is in the game. Pushed in the gap. Batsman will look to get some valuable runs here. The fitness level of the players today is something else. Wonderful to see them run like that. Good shot for a single. Very well played. Just working on the field where the gaps are. Great shot, middles it and penetrates the gap for 4. Magnificent striking from the batsman. Easy enough for the batsman to play for a single or a 2 if they run well. It's a full house here, and what an atmosphere we've had for this match. Turned away for a single. Excellent running between the wickets. He didn't get any timing on that one. Spinner brought into the attack. And the batting power play comes to an end. Good shot for a single. Lucky not to have conceded more runs. He decided to bowl that from round the wicket. Turned away for a single. Very good running between the wickets. Beautiful bowling, hitting the right legs. That was a moral victory for the bowler. Squeeze a single there, good running. Spinner brought back from the other end. He decided to bowl that from round the wicket. Oh, beats the edge, and the batsman has played all around that one. Tell you what, that previous delivery must be playing in the batsman's head. Beauty from the bowler, zips past the edge. That was a moral victory for the bowler. Good shot for a single. They need more boundaries now to make up for their slow start. Turned away for a single. Came around quickly to cover the throw. Good shot by the batsman. Can they steal a second here? Excellent dive. Superb reflexes. That could well be the catch of the match. Batsman takes the long walk back to the pavilion. It'll be interesting to see what pace he'll bowl at. He decided to bowl that from round the wicket. Missing his line there, wide signalled. By signalled. Very well played, just working on the field where the gaps are. Edge, but lands in a no man's land. He deserved a wicket there. Very important to keep wickets in hand, because in the death overs, they'll have that security. Good shot for a single. I tell you what, he uses the crease well to play the spinners. Good game awareness. He was covering the throw well. These misfields can hurt the fielding team's confidence big time. You really need to be on your toes at this level while fielding. Four runs, plays into the gap fabulously. Lovely timing, ball hitting the sweet spot. Last ball coming up. Turned away for a single. End of the first inning won't be long before we resume this thrilling contest. The fielding side looks warmed up and ready to go. Pace bowler into the attack. The bowler has the new ball. We're all set to go for the first ball of the innings. Good shot for a single. Bowlers can actually get extra bounce by bowling cutters on this pitch. Cracking delivery, almost unplayable. Tell you what, that previous delivery must be playing in the batsman's head. Oh, well bowled, a ripper. Shot, lovely shot right from the middle of the bat. There's such a wonderful crowd in to watch their favorite players. Up in the air. Oh, what a catch. He managed to hang on to that. Just that one to perfection. The fielding side is ecstatic after that breakthrough. The bowler's got his tail up. Terrific bowling that. Oh, he's clubbed that for a six. That's a great hit. That was a brilliant shot. Perfectly executed. That's a good delivery, right on the money. Batsman losing his concentration there. Well, that is glorious, absolutely glorious, perfect timing. He's not going to miss out on those. Beautiful shot by the batsman. That's 4 more. Lovely timing. Ball hitting the sweet spot. Will he take him on again? Let's see. That's hit hard. That's hit for 6. That's a great shot. Plenty happening out there. Fielding captain needs to calm his bowlers down before the umpire interferes. I tell you what, that shot looks even better in the replay. Lovely timing. Good placement by the batsman. He should be looking for some runs here. Found the gap beautifully, and that races away to the boundary again. That ball deserved a boundary. Well, the captain has decided taking the pace of the ball is a good way to go. Well, that brings us to the end of the power play. Fielding captain can now have more fielders outside the inner circle. Good bowling, it beats them all, ends up. The batsman should watch the ball closely and get in line at the ball. Great shot, middles it and penetrates the gap for 4. That was a good ball and equally well played by the batsman. This must be hurting the captain. He needs his bowler to be more disciplined with his lines. Poor running between the wickets, really poor. That's a good shot from the batsman. Wasn't the best ball though. This has been an impressive performance. They got just about everything right today. A well-deserved win.